The fourth step in the risk assessment process is channel risk, which looks to determine how your organization interacts with your customers. For example, whether directly through face-to-face contact or anonymously, such as through an online-only interaction, or indirectly through third-party agents. If your organization does not deal with all of its customers face-to-face, the risk assessment seeks to determine what proportion of your customers are dealt with via anonymous channels, where it's harder to determine whether the customer is who they claim to be, since identity theft, for example, is more difficult to detect. Similarly, the risk assessment seeks to determine whether business is conducted via third-party agents, such as sales agents or introducing brokers who may be representatives acting on behalf of your organization, and therefore expose your organization to higher levels of risk if those agents were acting in a way to facilitate criminal activities. If your organization does appoint third-party agents as a means of distributing its products and services, the risk assessment assesses the location of any third-party agents and the proportion of third-party agents that operate in each jurisdiction, to assess the risk exposure based on the country risk, since some countries are considered to be higher risk from a money laundering and terrorism financing perspective than others.